हाय एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज हम लेकर आए और एक नया वीडियो और इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं किया सोनेट की एक्सेसरीज की कंप्लीट प्राइसिंग। सो ओवरऑल वी हैव a total of 16 accessories and the total cost for all these 16 accessories is 20,095. So these accessories are optional and you can choose whichever you need. So to start with the first one, we get the headlamp garnish chrome at a price of rupees 999 and the tail lamp garnish chrome at a price of 1299, wheel arch garnish chrome at a price of 1799 as you can see here. Along with that, we also get the body side molding chrome which is of a price of 1990 and the door visor chrome insert along with the mud flaps which is of a price of 491. We also get the 3D trunk mat and 3D cabin mat in the Kia Sonet as an accessories. And now let's see the headrest cushion for the Kia Sonet at the rear end, and the headrest cushion price is around 1279, and you can see here we have the headrest cushion and there's a Sonet badging also on that. Other than that, at the rear we get the tail lamp garnish chrome which is of price of 1299 and the rear reflector garnish chrome which is of a price of just 649. So all these accessories are optional and we also have other accessories such as the lumbar support, Ganesha ceramic and the car perfume euphoric which is of a price of 397 and the tissue box so that can be purchased later if you need it, and the microfiber cloth which is of 99 rupees and the coat hanger which is of a price of 2391. So what I suggest is you can avoid the accessories from 11 to 16, and if you want it you can buy all the accessories from 1 to 10 which is really necessary and would also add the look for the Kia Sonet. So you can considering the accessories from 10 to 16